This is my work with lesson 15. So let's jump right in. This is the first assignment, which was to write some 6/4 on all RCs descending, then reverse 6/4 on RCs ascending, then using them as lines, and finally using both with scale changes. We won't listen to that, but I will provide the PDFs. So let's jump right into the sketch. The assignment was to write 8-bar sections, which I kind of did. The first part of the assignment was to write mostly 6/4s and its resolution, but I ended up using both, actually, 6/4 and reverse 6/4s. So this is the A section here. This is the linear section, and the line, using them as line. And last section, I wanted to do something kind of similar to what TC did in his sketch. I ended up not using this section in the development, but nonetheless I wrote it. So let's hear that. Okay, good. As you can see, just to end up the thing, I used 3+3 here and the tritone sub going to A. So that's it for the sketch. Now the development. Okay, I have to talk about this a bit. I'm working hard on my orchestration these days. So I wanted to do kind of a Hollywood-esque type of orchestration. So I've used the first 8 bars case of the sketch, but only the melody, the top line. I used it as a melody, and it's orchestrated in octave unison. That's the first statement of the melody. Then I go into a very colorful dance orchestration, and the melody switches all over the place. You can see that it starts in oboe trumpet here and violins. Then it goes to clarinet, horns, then it goes to flute, oboe, piccolo. Anyway, I did a lot of changes of color in this part, and I like it a lot. As you can see also, I used a lot of decoration here and here. Then that's the third statement of the melody, this time in the bass. So you've got basses and cellos, the low brass and bassoons who are playing the melody, with everything else playing either harmony or decoration. So that's it. Then we switch mode completely. This is the B section here, and we go to something very light, melody in the woodwind, with some punctuation by the brass. I really like this part also, yeah. Then this part here, the line writing, yep. So a lot of decoration too, bit of punctuation at the end. And then we come back with a statement of orchestrated theme, if I can say that. Okay, so let's have a listen. Yep, that's it. One thing that I could say about this piece is that there's a lot of mood changes, but I think if it was a concert piece, I would question the transitions and the relationship between the two parts. But in the context of music for film, I do hear this kind of change all the time. You know, it's an action-packed cue, and then boom, something happens and it drops and it is very quiet and it's very almost romantic. You know what I mean? This is what I wanted to achieve. So that's it. Thank you, Frank. Talk to you later. Bye.